In this video tutorial I will explain you how to get the best IPVanish VPN discount price. IPVanish is one of the few VPN services that does not offer discount coupons or promo codes which you can apply directly into the shopping cart to reduce the price. Actually, several years ago their shopping cart did have the ability to enter a promo code in a special box, but nowadays it has been changed. However, it doesn't mean that you can't save on IPVanish and get the best discount now. There are still some tips and tricks you can use to get IPVanish cheapest price. I'm going to share some of them with you. First of all, IPVanish has some exclusive discount price for their partners, and from time to time the company allows them to promote VPN at a special promo price. Such partners have a special dedicated page at the IPVanish website. I will leave one at the description. Check for the best IPVanish deals at special holiday events such as Black Friday, Halloween, New Year, and similar to catch the lowest price. Second advice is to contact the customer service and ask for the promo code as a new user. I personally did this trick with many VPN companies and received discount code from the support representatives. So, you may also try this trick with IPVanish. Why not to try your luck? Third advice. I would highly recommend you to subscribe to IPVanish newsletters. There are some exclusive IPVanish coupons and deals which the company spread using only this method of promotion. For example, recently I received a special offer allowing to subscribe to a monthly plan with 38% discount. You pay $7.99 instead of $12.99 a month for a lifetime. Lastly, IPVanish refund policy says that there is 30 days no question asked money back guarantee. So, you can use IPVanish for 30 days, then ask for refund and get your money back within 3 business days. But you should keep in mind that this trick allows you to get money back from your account only for 1 and 2 year subscription plans. In case you purchased IPVanish 1-month subscription, you should contact customer service to initiate the refund process. Finally, the best price for IPVanish VPN goes for 2-year deal, so you pay less each month for the 2-year subscription. The overall IPVanish price will be cheaper in comparison to 2 separate years of subscription. Speaking about IPVanish lifetime deals and 3-year deals, I should say that they are also gone, or at least the company hasn't run these promotions for a long time by now. In the conclusion, I would like to add that IPVanish is one of the most popular VPN service in the market today. The service allows you to connect to 2,400 servers in 90 locations worldwide. Verified no-log policy, strong encryption, unlimited connected devices with a single license, kill switch, split tunneling, and extra features like threat protection place IPVanish VPN to the top of the comparison charts at many review sites. In case you have found more ways to save on IPVanish, please share them in the comments. Thank you for watching.